Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. I wanted to show you guys, put up my fairy lights. As you can see, they got the copper wire, and those you see there are the DIY elf legs that I made, sticking up there, look real nice. And I have the copper wire fairy lights all the way around, all the way to the mailbox and on top. And there are the DIY elf legs. You can see the copper wire there. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. See, the bushes are kind of bare, so you can see the copper wire. Those are the lights on top. You can see on top by the legs. On top all the way around. I tried to hide it as much as I could, but it is what it is. It's winter. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a brief update. Just a brief update. And I'll come back when it gets just a little darker, so you guys can actually see how it turned out. And altogether I had 8 strands of the 33 feet, 100 lights on each strand. And I got that from Amazon on Black Friday. They were on sale for the 4 strands. It was like $17. So I got 2 of those. Well, so that's how many lights. And I tried to double on the sides so you could really see the lights. Up here is really scarce. I couldn't really do too much, but you see I tried to double that. I ran it up and then I ran it back, and then on top. And as you can see, Honey and Son has been doing leaves, so they're going to get that up. Yeah, but you know, we tried to wait until all the leaves off the tree fell, because it was just exhausting trying to get leaves as they were still falling. It's redundant. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my DIY decor out here. And fairy lights on the bushes. That way I'm not using no electricity. They're battery operated, 3 AA batteries. There's my DIY elf legs. Really worked out well. Let me see if I can get you guys closer up to them. And I didn't have to put any sticks or anything in it. If you're like putting it in your tree or something, I would suggest adding sticks to it so it makes it like a pick. But since they were going in my sturdy bushes, no need for that. But yeah, turned out great. This is DJ the Diva, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it, and share it with the rest of the community. All right, this is DJ. I'm out.